Hello, welcome to I Love the Library. I'm Brenda Labine, and today I'm going to talk about cookbooks. Do you enjoy finding new recipes? Have you bought a new cookbook and only found one or two that you like? Well, we can help you out because we have a good variety of new cookbooks here at the library. And I have tried recipes from each of them. So this first one is called the Unofficial Bridgerton Cookbook. There are 100 recipes in this cookbook, and I liked meringue kisses in the garden, butternut squash soup, and chocolate mousse cups. The second book is the Wanda Brunstetter Amish Friends 4-Season Cookbook. There are 290 recipes. It also contains gardening tips like how to grow bigger tomatoes and peppers and how to keep the rabbits out of your garden. They also have spring cleaning tips and recipes for shower cleaner and other things to keep your house clean. And in this book, I tried the winter stew and the taco pie recipe. The third book is called The Art of the Board. Everybody's trying charcuterie boards, and this fun and fancy snack boards and recipes, ideas for all the years, has tons of tips and tricks by Elizabeth Carney. It has seasonally inspired snack boards that will transform you from hopeless hostess to the hostess with the most. One salami rose at a time. This has good fondue, build a bagel, charcuterie boards, and a movie board that it was very creative. This book is called Baking for the Holidays. It has over 50 plus treats for a festive season. And it's not just for Christmas. There are recipes for all year round. Ones that looked really good are cranberries and cream danishes, a white chocolate cake with cranberries, and white chocolate buttercream frosting, and cruffins, which is a cross between a croissant and a muffin that makes tall, flaky morning buns. And one I haven't tried yet, but I'm going to, is the lemon pull-apart bread. This book, Cookies, the New Classic, it contains 100 cookie recipes. The ones that I've tried were called Malted Brown Biscotti, Raspberry Chocolate Chunk. It takes traditional recipes and elevates them to impress everyone that tries them. And if cookies aren't your thing, we have the Cocktail Workshop, an essential guide to classic drinks and how to make them on your own. And some of the ones that contain recipes for martinis, the mint julep, Manhattans, old fashioned, and this book will show you how. It will provide you with recipes to make those classic cocktails and how you can make them on your own. Thank you for joining me on I Love the Library. Till next time.